And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, a little bit of a tongue of dry air coming in, a little bit of a dry slot. You can see that right here on radar, punching into Covington, Attica, and Lafayette right as we speak. But this is very brief, but it will shut the snow and ice down for just a little while, for maybe an hour or two before the snow fills back in. And if we look down here, you can see not much happening from Crawfordsville, Lafayette, Attica, and Petersburg right now, but things are still happening off to the east. Still sleet in Kokomo, and it is snowing in a ring from really Fowler up to Morocco, all the way back around to Peru. But even though we got this dry slot, look what's off to our west. Bands of pretty heavy snow, and these are all moving in our direction, and still some freezing rain and sleet may try to mix in at least for a little while this evening in our southeastern and eastern counties, and strong winds that will lead to near blizzard conditions, especially over Newton, Jasper, and Benton counties. And we may still have at least a few power outages due to the ice on the trees and power lines and these strong gusts, 35 to 45 miles an hour. So there's your dry slot for now, or pocket of drier air. The yellow is sleet. This is dual pole radar. It's a great tool to analyze wintry precip at a very distinct, detailed level. This is sleet at Flora. This is sleet at Kokomo, down to near the Grissom Air Reserve base. But at Logansport, this maroon color is snow. And then down here around Frankfort, that color would be just light freezing rain. Now we'll go to Futurecast. This is 6 o'clock this evening. The dry slot or dry area filling back in. So the snow comes right back in. It's steady snow area wide at 8. Again, down here in our south and southeast, a little sleet freezing rain may try to mix in at times. Windy through the evening and tanking temperatures. Here we are at 10:30. Still some snow around and widespread blowing and drifting snow as well. Then just a couple lake effect flurries and snow showers around right through about 1 o'clock, 1:30 in the morning. Then that exits. Then it's bitterly cold later on tonight. We're looking at lows about -4 to 7, a wind chill 17 below to about 4 below zero early tomorrow morning. And then sunshine tomorrow, but tomorrow night, here comes another wave of some light snow, perhaps 1 inch or less of accumulation expected, and a lot of blowing and drifting snow. Gusts tomorrow night, late tomorrow night, may run 30 to 40 miles an hour out of the southwest to west and then northwest. So watch for more blowing and drifting snow later tomorrow and tomorrow night. All right, snowfall totals for tonight, though, before all is said and done: 3 to 6, Logansport, Delphi, Lafayette, Attica, around Pine Village; 6 to 10, Fowler, Kentland, Rensselaer, up through the Winnemac area and Wheatfield; and finally 1 to 3, Kokomo, down to Covington, and 1 inch or less down near New Ross. There could be a couple totals that exceed 10 just a little bit around Earl Park, Remington, and also Winnemac. Then tomorrow, again, the winds cranking up in a big way late in the day, so blowing and drifting snow developing with the sunshine. Again, the low wind chills in the morning, a low of 4, but a high of 25 during the afternoon. There are the highs, and afternoon wind chills running 6 to about 14 above. All right, 70 forecast. Normal high is 38, but only 19 on Saturday with 1 inch or less of snow Friday night, and a lot of blowing and drifting snow too. 45 on Sunday, though. We warm up very rapidly with a windy day. 52 Monday, more melting, more water going into rivers and streams. 55 rain Tuesday. May end as a little snow and ice Tuesday night. And then this, we got to watch this. This could be another winter storm down the road round about late Thursday and into Thursday night. All right, in terms of traffic right now, though, with all this inclement weather going on, these are the travel advisories and watches. Again, it's travel watch, only essential travel, Warren, Benton, Newton, Jasper, Fulton counties. It's an advisory, little lower level under the watch for Tippecanoe, Carroll, White, Pulaski, Cass, and Miami counties and Fountain counties. But I can guarantee you, as conditions worsen this evening, these travel advisories will be downgraded. We may have some travel warnings. We'll have to wait and see about that because conditions will get worse. But in the meantime, hey, I-65 northbound is closed from Rensselaer to north of Remington due to an accident. Also, I-65, both lanes closed just south of the Kankakee River up towards Lake County here from an accident as well. Notice all the orange indicating very slow travel. It is very slow travel on the Hoosier Heartland Highway as well. And right there, 225 is closed due to flooding.